Hallo liebe Leute and welcome back to Get Germanized. I'm Dominic. Today we're diving into the ultimate survival guide for Oktoberfest. Ozapft is. Whether you're a first timer or just need a little refresher, I'm here to help you get the most out of your Oktoberfest experience. Let's get started. Lasst uns anfangen.
All on board. What should I do?
Ich weiß.
Oktoberfest is the world's largest beer festival, held annually in Munich, Germany. It typically starts in mid-September and lasts until the first weekend in October, despite what the name might suggest. Millions of people flock to Munich for this cultural experience of drinking, singing, dancing, and of course, eating some incredible traditional Bavarian food. But what can you expect when attending your first Oktoberfest? Let's break it down, starting with what to wear. The first thing you need to consider is what you're going to wear. If you really want to immerse yourself in the experience, I highly recommend wearing traditional Bavarian attire. Lederhosen for men and Dirndls for women. Trust me, you'll feel out of place in just regular clothes, and it's a huge part of the fun. If you're not sure where to buy them, there are a ton of shops in Munich or online that offer a variety of options. Just make sure you're getting a good fit, because you'll be wearing it for hours and possibly dancing in it. Time and reservations. Now let's talk about timing. One of the biggest mistakes first-timers make is assuming they can just show up whenever and grab a seat in a tent. No, nein. That's not how it works. The most popular tents fill up really fast, especially in the evenings and on weekends. If you want a guaranteed spot, especially for a large group, you should reserve a table months in advance. If you don't have a reservation, make sure you arrive early, like before 11 a.m. to increase the chances of snagging a seat. Remember, it's essential to have a seat in the tent if you want to be served any food or beer. So get there early, plan ahead, and most important of all, be patient. And also be careful, sometimes people try to steal seats when you go to the bathroom. Yes, that has happened before. The beer and how to order. Now let's talk about the main attraction, the beer. Oktoberfest beer is brewed according to a special recipe and is stronger than your average beer, so pace yourself. A Maß, which is the iconic 1-liter beer mug, might look fun, but after a few of those you'll be feeling it. To order, simply say, eine Maß bitte. 1 liter of beer please. And when you raise your glass, the toast is Prost, meaning cheers. Be sure to make eye contact when you toast. That's the German beer drinking etiquette, or you will have 7 years of bad sex, and who would want that? Food at Oktoberfest. It's not just about the beer though. The food is a huge part of the experience too. You've got to try the roasted chicken or Händel, a traditional Bavarian pretzel or Brezen, and don't forget the Weißwurst, a white sausage that's served with sweet mustard. Oh, and a piece of Schweinshaxe or pork knuckle wouldn't hurt either. It's actually my personal favorite, the Schweinshaxe, and trust me, you'll need something to soak up all that beer. Oktoberfest etiquette. Now let's talk about some key etiquette tips. First off, always tip your server, like in the US. They work extremely hard and it's customary to tip around 10 to 50%. A little tip can also help get you faster service later on. For example, our table paid our waitress 100 euros in advance and she served us quick all day long. Secondly, do not, I repeat, do not stand on the tables. Singing, dancing, and even standing on the benches is totally fine, but standing on the tables is a no-go and could get you thrown out. That actually happened to a friend of mine, and he got thrown out for Xing a whole Maß, meaning drinking it all at once. That is frowned upon because many people throw up when drinking a whole liter of beer after probably having had maybe 2, 3, 4 or more liters of beer already. So that is a no-go as well. The key here is do not stand on the bench and do it, because that is for some reason especially frowned upon. The music stops, everyone will look at you and even cheer, but you will get thrown out after if you're unlucky, which is very likely to happen. Also be polite when making new friends. Oktoberfest is of course a social event, but it's important to respect people's space and be courteous. Getting around. One last survival tip, getting to and from Oktoberfest. Public transport in Munich is excellent, so I highly recommend taking the U-Bahn or S-Bahn to get to the festival grounds, known as the Theresienwiese. Parking is a nightmare, and trust me, after a day of drinking you do not want to be driving anyway, and it's illegal, so don't do it. Final thoughts. And there you have it folks, now you know what to expect at your first ever Oktoberfest. It's an incredible celebration of Bavarian culture, and whether you're there for the beer, the food, or just the atmosphere, you're guaranteed to have an unforgettable time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and make sure to share this video with all of your friends who are headed to Oktoberfest. Also consider becoming a supporter on patreon.com/getgermanized or here on YouTube by becoming a channel member to gain access to videos early and also get exclusive video companion PDFs for added value for every video. And apart from that, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to get Germanized. Goodbye and auf Wiedersehen.
We got the Autobahn speeding through the night. From Berlin to Bavaria, everything's just right. I'm with Dominic guiding, we're learning all we can. From culture to language, join the Germ fam. Cause get Germanized, it's more than a vibe. Learning Deutsch, feeling so alive. I'm from castles to Oktoberfest, we dive into Germany's heart, we thrive.